Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this absolutely beautifully presented 3-bedroom semi-detached property over on Osborne Road in Salford. So as you go through the property, you'll see it is immaculate throughout. It's got all the period features, done to a really high standard. So to the front here, we've got the living room with the big bay window, original fireplace. Great space in here, all the coving at the ceiling. And as we head on through to the back of the property, we've got the second reception room. Original fireplace again. Overlooking the garden, it's really private, peaceful out the back there. Really good space in here. And then as we head on through to the kitchen diner, we've got some fitted furniture in the corner for storage. This stunning kitchen, the range of wall and base units, integrated appliances. Really big window there, letting loads of natural light in. And as we head on out the back, you'll find this beautiful garden, really peaceful back here. No one overlooking you at all. Loads of space. Seating area around to the side, and then a gate for side access back to the front. Now as we head on upstairs, you'll find 3 double bedrooms and a 4-piece family bathroom. Here over on Osborne Road, you are within walking distance to the hospital, all the transport links, and only a stone's throw away from Monton Village. So here we have the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, really good sized double. To the right, we've got the family bathroom, which does have a bath and a shower. Lovely feature wall there. Really good space in here. And then across the landing, we've got the 2nd bedroom here, which again, a really good sized double bedroom with loads of space for wardrobes and additional furniture. And through to the master, the big bay window at the front. Really big space in here. Just show you from this angle so you can see all the space that it offers. If you would like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.